it was asked. In that interview, the answer was internal. Is that clear? Okay. Can I move on to the next slide? Do you have any issue with this? Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. We have already discussed the internal and external. So I'm not going into again. As we said, financial statements. You people were continuously saying financial statements will help us to make better decisions. Come on. Have you heard about segment reporting? Just tell me yes, no. Have you heard about a concept called as segment reporting? Students, all these things when it comes to practical side, just when something similar to that. Wait, shall I explain? Assume you have a company. Okay. That company is manufacturing 3 products. Tell me any 3 products. Okay, I'll start off. They are manufacturing soap. Tell me 2 more products. Other than soap. Okay, they are manufacturing shoe. Okay, fine. Shampoo. Financial statement. Shibna. Okay, for Shibna, Madi. Enough, okay, enough, bag. Madi. Financial statements, profit and loss account. I hope you people know profit and loss account. In that, we will have profit, right? We will get how many products the company is manufacturing? We started with 3. Shibna said bag. Now there are totally 4 products, right? Okay. In profit and loss account, how many profit will be there? 1 profit or 4 profit? Very good. Very good. You are very, very right. As an internal user or external user, just think, no. Shouldn't you need to know how much is the profit from soap? How much is the profit from bag? How much from shoe? How much from shampoo? So what they do, along with the balance sheet, you have heard about notes to accounts? Have you heard about notes to accounts? In that, they will present, okay? In the notes to accounts, they will present segment-wise reporting. What did I say? Segment-wise reporting. From soap, this much is the profit. From bag, this much is the profit. From shoe, this much is the profit. From shampoo, this much is the profit. Now, did you understand? Something called as segment reporting. Did you understand? ഇത് എവിടെയാ കാണിക്കുന്നത്? Meaning, where it is shown. Where? Those who have listened can tell. I said. Correct. Notes, you know, below the balance sheet, there will be notes, right? In that, like this, okay? Later on, I will show. Company's financial, I'll show. In the notes to accounts, they will present. Now, assume that this bag is incurring losses continuously for 3 years. What decision you can take? Bag, only that bag is incurring losses for 2 to 3 years. What decision can you take? to stop this bag. Correct, Mihad? Either stop bag or to reduce the production of bag or to increase the marketing. Students, you are thinking only on one angle, pessimistic. See, correct. On the one hand, you will, correct Vidya, I'm coming to that. On the one hand, you will try to stop the bag, reduce the bag, or, reduce the price, etc. On the other hand, you will try to innovate the bag, marketing, etc. Promotion. Tell me, correct, increase marketing. Toguru, you're right. Increase marketing. Very good. So with this segment reporting, can't we make better decision? Did you understand what I said? Here on, if someone says segment reporting, you should explain to them. Eto, agreed? Am I clear with that? Okay. But students, let me tell you something outside academics, meaning not in this line of this segment reporting, every business has segment reporting, except one business does not have segment reporting. Did you hear what I said? Every business has segment reporting, except which, how many business I said? Correct. You know which one? You want to know? I'm talking about companies. Allala, not that. I'm talking about big companies. No, Sunila. Can I say? Not Infosys. No. Entities involved in defense production. Entities involved in what production? Defense production. Defense means what? Defense means what? They are going to produce. Students, defense means what? They are going to produce what? Arms, ammunitions, which is safety for our country, right? Do you agree with me? So, avide, just because one line of business does not give you profit, can you stop producing that particular arms and ammunition? Now, did you understand that logic? Did you understand the logic? Okay. So we discussed about internal and external users. Mainly, it makes to make a better decision. I knew you people know about profit, etc. But I want to make you aware about the new concept, which is called as what reporting? I was saying no, new concept which you didn't know. It's called as correct. Any doubts with respect to this slide? Okay. Shall I pass on? Huh. You saw that smiley, no? So again, a small question, not big one, very small. Analysis of financial statements, okay? Which is analyzed and interpreted. For analysis of financial statements, will you analyze financial information or Will you analyze financial and non-financial information or both? Students, can you read the question once more? My question is to analyze the financial. Okay. To analyze the financial. To analyze the financial, which will you interpret? I'll give you half minute. Don't type and make yourself difficult. Just type A, B, C. I will understand. Okay. Mixed answers. And you gave me variety of answers. A barnu, B barnu, C also you said. Now, through an example, I will make you say the right answer. That's what Nanda, the Aru B, someone said only B. That's wrong. I don't know, maybe typing mistake, Nanda. Okay. Now look. For making the decision, how much the company has earned during the year, which figure you will see? How much the company has earned during the year, which figure you will see? Tell me in technical language. Correct. You will see the net profit, which is financial or non-financial. Which is financial or non-financial. Correct. How much company has to pay to the debtors? How much company has to receive from debtors? Sorry. How much company has to receive from debtors? Paid to the creditors. Financial, non-financial. Correct. How many number of employees company has? Students, hear carefully. How many number of employees company has? Okay, 100 employees. 100 in the number of employees. Anupriya, correct. Vishnu, right. 100 in the number of employees. Is it financial or non-financial? While analyzing, won't you see number of employees? Tell me yes, no. Won't you see number of employees? Jeswin, you have to see. Jesslyn, you have to see. Why? Number of employee has to match with the salary figure. No. Tell me. Have you heard about ghost employees? Tell me yes, no. You don't know? You want to hear? You want to hear? See, just for example, I'm saying, don't take it in a personal sense, okay? I'm just taking one participant's name. Don't take it personally. Arya. Arya, I'm just taking you for the example. There is an employee called as Arya. Her salary in the company is 25,000 per month. Okay. Now, this Arya, physically she is not there. Her name is only there in the payroll. You know, employee register. In that, Arya is there. Physically, Arya is not there in the company. Every month, 25,000 will go to some account. Did you understand? In fact, Arya, pardon me, Arya is a ghost. Meaning, there is no person called as Arya in the company. Every month 25,000 they are misappropriating, meaning they are taking it as a fraud. Did you understand what is ghost employee now? Now tell me, unless you analyze number of employees to salary, etc., Can you correctly check the financial salary? Correct. Number of customer complaints received during the year. Financial, non-financial. Number of customer complaints received during the year. If the company is receiving throughout the year complaint or a complaint, then will that company survive? Will you people invest in such a company? Tell me frankly, will you invest? So shouldn't you check the complaint? Correct. So now tell me the answer. Students, now don't make the mistake, okay? Now tell me the answer for this. Correct. First, you people, 90% of you said only financial. Now you people say correctly, both. Are you clear with my explanation and example related? Okay. Okay. So can I go to the next slide? Huh. I don't know. BBA students, I don't know if you can say, but to interpret a financial, this is the primary thing. Okay. But BCom ACCA students, you have to say. You people should know this. But let me see. You have, now come on, tell me two company, any two company. Vodafone, Vodafone Idea. Now, come on, Vodafone, tell me a competitor, no? Don't say, yeah, Reliance. Or Airtel, whatever it is, BSNL, whatever it is. Airtel, whatever. Can I compare Vodafone financial statements with Airtel's financials? Okay. Then I will interpret whether Vodafone is making more profit or Reliance is making more profit. Whether to invest in Vodafone or whether to invest. Correct, Jocelyn? That's what I'm telling. Comparative financial statements. To compare the financial statements should be consistent. See, to compare two financial statement, something should be same. Method Allah. Just when you are right. Just when you are right. Correct. Not investments. Not investments. See, goodwill Allah. It's not goodwill. Correct. The Vishnu has said the correct answer. Students, now you are saying correctly. What? Accounting. Policies, no? Do you agree with me? See, if the base is not same, can you compare two financials? Can you compare? No. So practically I'm saying, practically, if you are taking Vodafone financials, if you are taking Reliance financial, they will be almost uniform. You know why? They all have something called as accounting standards. Yes, Geetika. Others, have you heard about AS? Accounting standards, like a uniform, like a code of conduct. And whatever policy, correct? IFRS, That's also possible. See, to go it in a upper level, even Indian company financials, correct Femina, Indies is there. You people making me tell more. Correct Aishwarya. See, can I compare Indian company with a foreign company? Yes, no. Um, as of now, you can. You know why? Global accounting standards are adopted. Correct. Correct. I used a word global accounting standards. Global means around the world. Gap. So even an Indian company can be compared with a company in UK, USA. See, why should I tell you this much? Infosys is having, students, Infosys is Indian company or foreign company? Infosys, right, right. You people agree, no? Correct, correct. Infosys is having operations in US. Do you know that? See, Infosys in the US operations also coming in Indian company. It's also converged. Converge means what? It is also coming into our Indian financial statements. So we are following the one new term I said for some of you. Global accounting standards. Global. Like IFRS, Ind AS, all those. And students, one more dash is there. Did you see? Whatever accounting policy you people follow, it should be properly disclosed where? Disclosed. Okay, to put it very simple, uh, oh, except one, rest of you are wrong. Except one, rest of you are wrong. If I give you, see, you people know theoretically well, practical side, Kiran and Madhumida, you are right. It will be disclosed where you know notes to accounts. Little while earlier we said no notes to accounts. ചെറിയൊരു കാര്യം, very simple. Tell me a amount for depreciation. Tell me an amount for depreciation, students. Come on, tell me big amount. No, we are now global. Tell me big amount. Yo, Vishnu. Okay, his desire 50 lakhs. Depreciation can be provided either on two methods, two policies. What are those? Either on dash basis or dash basis. Not fixed, Jaren. Either on. Correct. Straight line method or WDV. You know this, right? I hope you know. Okay. Now, just look at this 50 lakhs. Will you know whether it is WDV or diminishing written down value? Just look at 50 lakhs. Will you know? Which method will you know? But as a user, how Vishnu you say straight line method? Just by seeing the amount you are saying, now ipa para. Can you say it is WDV? You can't say. This disclosure will be given where? This disclosure will be given in the notes to accounts. So as an interpretation of financial, whenever we are reading P&L account balance sheet, our eyes will also go where? Our eyes will go also to notes to accounts to know more explanation. Did you understand what I said? See Vidya, കൂടുതൽ detail regarding the items in balance sheet. Okay, you don't know what is notes to accounts? See, basically, do you people know financial statement has 4 components? Do you know that? Yes, Vishnu, Adashiri. Come on, financial statement has how many components? Tell me that. First, tell me that. Financial statement has balance sheet, which shows the position of dash and dash. Wait. Assets and liability. Then you have the income statement, which shows the net profit or net loss. Then you have the cash flow statement. Amisha, Makle, one minute. Wait, let me say one thing. Students, here in the new scenario, there is no trading account. Come on, we call it as statement of P&L. There is no trading account concept. Okay. Yeah. Cash flow statement, we will know the cash inflow and outflow. Finally, you will have the Shanu trial balance illa. Trial balance ivida varilla. Finally, you will have the notes to accounts, including statement. Kiran, you are right. ഈ ബാലൻസ് ഷീറ്റിലും P&L account all items, the items in balance sheet and P&L account, you will give more explanation where? Vidya, you only ask me this question. Where will you give more information? In the notes. Am I clear? Did you understand now? Okay. Recently, students, I don't have that financial right now. I'll show you maybe tomorrow. I saw in one company's financial. Okay. 1819, 1920. Okay. 1920 March. Come on. The situation of Corona, no? In February, March, Corona was there, right? In February, March, I'm talking about the hotel industry. Hotel. Okay, big hotel. That hotel in the January, February, March, because of this Corona situation, foreigners, correct, Abhiram, Corona has starting. Because of this Corona, sales has increased or decreased. Hotel industry, foreigners are the main customers there. Is it slight decrease or significant decrease? Slight or significant? So sales of this year will be 20 lakhs. Students, listen, sales of 1819 is 20 lakhs, whereas 1920 is only 15 lakhs. Actually, how this drop has happened? Mainly because of, we discussed, no, Corona. Can a user understand this Corona by seeing 20 lakhs and 15 lakhs? Tell me yes, no. Where they will disclose. Because of the Corona only, these difference in sales has happened. where they will disclose. Correct. Trust me, in the notes to accounts they have said. And do you want to hear something else? Do you want to hear something? 18-19 9 months ille. 18-19 9 months ille. 19-20 9 months ille. Are you getting what I'm saying? The 9 months, excluding that 3 months, Vishnu, 18-19 lane, 19-20 lane, 9 months ille, excluding January, February, March. Actually, 19-20 sales has significantly increased. ശരിക്കും ജാനുവരി ഫെബ്രുവരി മാർച്ച് 2020 കൊറോണ ഇല്ലായിരുന്നുവെങ്കിൽ if there is no corona, this would have been say 30 lakhs. Femina, Vishnu, ഇപ്പൊ മനസ്സിലായോ? ശരിക്കും ആ 1920 actually the company has performed very well. Akshita, in fact, if that January, February, March was excluded, ആദ്യത്തെ 9 മാസം, that first 9 months performance matram, if you had seen only the first 9 months performance, meaning from April to when? Mohammed, from April to first 9 months, April to, correct, December, company has performed well or not well? Company has, correct, they have outperformed. Just because of this corona only, because of last 3 months, the complete year figure has been distorted. Just because of last 3 months, full year financial statement sale is less. Did you understand? Ippa para. Did you understand? See, as a layman, ordinary man, seeing this 20 lakh, seeing this 15 lakh, will you invest? Vishnu, will you invest? You're a layman. You see sales of previous year is 20, current year is 15. Will you invest? But, Sheena, but in the notes to accounts, they say first 9 months, it was 14 lakhs. Just because of this corona only, it has decreased. Now, will you invest or not? Tell me. Correct. Actually, a Christmas season, I don't know. Christmas season, hotel industry gets that Christmas, New Year season, lots of foreign investors, foreign travelers, I mean, investors are travelers. This is a practical case which I said you. Am I clear with my explanation? If you didn't read the notes to accounts, this company you won't invest. You will say that this company has performed bad. This company is going to close. Okay, are you people okay? Yeah. Any doubts in this slide? No. Today's session, they had said to me 1 hour. Tomorrow we'll continue with the same thing. So don't worry. I think we started when? 6:15? I didn't see the time. Abdullah, when did we start? 6:15, no? Yeah. So I'll wind up by 7:20. 2 more slide I'll show, or 1 more slide I'll show. I will wind up. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue. Okay. 1 more or 2 more slide. Shall I go on to the next slide? Okay. Now, you are going to invest into a company. Okay. As an investor, you are going to invest into a particular company. What will you read? Companies, what will you read? You are not manager, you are not the accountant, you are not the staff of the company, you are nothing associated with the company. You will read what? Any guesses? Deed? No. Shares? No. Tulasi, financial statements will you get directly? Articles of association. Vignesh, can I get the articles? Correct. I got the answer. Students, do you see this? What is this? Not memorandum. Karthikeyan, you are also right. You will verify companies. Very good. You will verify companies' annual report. Have you heard about companies' annual report? See, annual report, if you are company's shareholder, investor, etc., even if you are the smallest investor in the company, annual report will be sent to you through mail. That annual report will have A to Z about the company. It will start from companies, who are the directors of the company, from the financial statement, everything it will have. So, as a person who are interpreting the financial statements, we are supposed to read what? We are supposed to read, only 2 or 3 said right. Others, we are supposed to read what? Companies? Correct. Not balance sheet, Shanu, annual report. But come on, students, annual report will comprise of what? Annual report will comprises of profit also. It will comprise of balance sheet, P&L, etc. Am I clear? A person who is analyzing the financial statements, we are analyzing the financial statements. Correct, Amit? You are right. Are you people preparing financials? Tell me yes, no. Are you people preparing financial? Come on. Look at me. Look at me. See, financials is prepared by the company. We are only analyzing the financial statements. We are not preparing. We are the investors. We are the top management. We are going to make the decision. We are not going to prepare. We are only analyzing. Is that concept clear? Did you understand that? Because always students make a mistake. We prepare financial, we analyze. No, the person preparing the financial does not analyze. Prepared by the accountant or directors, analyzed by others. So tomorrow, time is up, I guess. Tomorrow, I will start with how to analyze the annual report. How to analyze what? How to analyze the correct. I will, like today, I will give you examples, etc. I will show you practically annual report of a company. So before I end today's session, was this session was this session okay? Did you understand? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Do you have any doubts? No. I hope you got some value addition today. Okay. So tomorrow we'll be going a little more into depth. So thank you for so much response and being so much good participants. We'll see tomorrow.
Okay,
Lakshmi?
thank you. Thank you, madam, for
Yeah.
your wonderful session. I think all the students have really enjoyed the way you have made the presentation in terms because the problem with academics is we are more into books using very familiar terms of preparation rather than analyzing and looking into not just looking into reading and referring to annual reports and thereby understanding statements. So I think it was a wonderful experience for all the students. We had some technical issues at the beginning, but we have simultaneously put this onto the links, YouTube links. So tomorrow we'll be starting at 5:30. We'll be having a consultation with our technician also to see that there is no problem. So thank you all students and all others who joined. And we hope you'll have a wonderful time tomorrow with Revati Madam again, taking us live into the real world of accounting, where we are trying to interpret and understand more of financial statements. Thank you, Madam, and thank you one and all for the session. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.
Okay. Yeah. Good night.